What's up YouTube, Jeff back again. Today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today I got something kind of different. You guys have probably seen the depth effect type wallpapers that are on iOS for the iPhone that basically hides your clock behind the wallpaper on the lock screen. Some people like those, and some people asked, is there a way to do that on Samsung? Well, I saw a little tutorial on how to do this over on Twitter by one of the guys I follow. I've talked about him before for leaks. It's Vtrox360. And I'm going to kind of walk you guys through his suggestion on how to do it. I tried it myself with varying results. So I'm not saying this works perfectly, but if you have patience, you can get it to work pretty decent. Before we get started, I want to thank my son Jonathan for giving me this lovely Rubici over here to have on the side of the Field Notes notebook for today's video. And I also want to remind you guys, if you're interested in saving some money on wireless service, you can get premium wireless from my partners Mint Mobile starting at just $15 a month. And right now they're having one of their biggest sales of the year. As you guys know, they have the 5 gigabyte a month plan, 15 gigabyte a month plan, 20 gigabyte a month plan, and their unlimited plan. And you'll notice that right now with this limited time offer for my subscribers, all the plans are $15 a month, which means the unlimited plan is 50% off the regular price, which is fantastic. All their plans come with unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, mobile hotspot included as well. It's very simple to switch to Mint. You can get either an eSIM or physical SIM, and if you do opt for the physical SIM, they'll send you out a SIM tool as well. Pop out your old SIM, pop in the Mint SIM, and let the savings begin. If you guys haven't tried them yet, now's the time to do it. Go to my link, mintmobile.com/Springer, also in the pinned comment description. And if you guys do sign up with my link today and get this amazing 50% offer, I'm also going to send you out a free smartphone case of your choice, just like my Samsung official silicone case here. You can actually choose any case from any case manufacturer for any phone. Doesn't have to be a Samsung phone. As long as you go to mintmobile.com/Springer, sign up for any 3-month Mint Mobile plan, get in touch with me via Twitter, DM, or email, and I'll get that free case out to you guys. I'm doing that as a personal thank you for you guys trying Mint. And we do appreciate Mint for being partners with the channel. So, like I said, today we're going to show you how to do the depth effect wallpapers on your lock screen. Now, like I said, it's not going to be perfect, but with patience, it does work. First things first, you're going to need 2 GoodLock applications in order to do this tutorial. So make sure you have GoodLock installed, and then the 2 applications you're going to need from GoodLock are the ClockFace app and then also Lockstar. So once you have those 2 GoodLock modules, you'll be ready to start. So first of all, you're going to pick a good depth effect wallpaper, and if you're looking for a good suggestion of where to find some, my friend One4 Studio has his new One4 Wall app that has an entire collection that's devoted to, you guessed it, depth effect type wallpapers, just like on the iOS lock screen. And I chose one of those from his set to use for this tutorial. So once you've picked a wallpaper that you have set on your lock screen, your home screen, the next thing you're going to do is go into your gallery and you're going to choose that wallpaper, and then you're going to take and use the edit button, the little pencil icon, and the lasso tool, which is right here, to select the subject of your wallpaper, and this is how we're going to hide the clock. Go ahead and select a portion using the lasso tool. Now, I like to use select manual with this wallpaper because the snap to shape doesn't work too well because there aren't too many well-defined shapes. So I just went ahead and selected a piece that had the peak there, kind of these gradient shapes, and then go next, done. And then down here in the bottom right corner with the 3-dot menu, save as copy. So once you save as copy, it's going to save this as a copy in your gallery. So then what you can do is go into GoodLock, then open up the ClockFace application, go to lock screen, and then you can add a new clock. Now what you're going to do is hit the plus button here in the top right, choose the clock that you want. I don't particularly like this one, so I'm going to add a digital clock. Let's just do a regular digital one because maybe to start that might be the easiest. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add the image that we just took out of our current wallpaper by clicking on the plus sign image and then tap on the gallery icon. Take the image that you just extracted by using edit, and then you can actually blow this up and make it a bit larger so that you're going to be able to basically overlay this on the current image. Now, this is the tricky part. Because you don't really see a full screen preview here, you kind of have to guess as to how large this needs to be and the position of the clock in order for this to work appropriately. And you may have to come back to the ClockFace application to actually get this to work perfectly over time, because it's probably not going to work perfect the first time. But for now, what you're going to do is go ahead and just save this configuration as a ClockFace. And then we're going to go back to GoodLock. So go back into the GoodLock application, and now we're going to open up Lockstar. So when you open up Lockstar, you can now edit on here on the lock screen. And what you can do is when you tap here on the ClockFace, you can actually go to this bottom right corner here and find one of those clock styles that we just had. And this is the one that we just had right here, is this clock style. So I can now kind of drag this to get it to fit. And you can see that it doesn't quite have the right scale right now. And that's what I mean by this is going to take some trial and error on your part to get it to fit perfectly. But you can see here that that's a pretty decent fit. Obviously, I'd have to go back and play with this a little more to get it to fit perfectly. But if I could go back into the ClockFace and tweak the scaling a little bit, I could get this to work a little bit better. And maybe you want the clock to peak out a little bit more. So then what you can do, of course, is just go ahead and save this. And then once you save it on your lock screen, you would have the depth effect there. Like I said, this definitely takes some trial and error. I did this in one take in the video because obviously I didn't want to make it incredibly long, but a couple people on Twitter have done this. I've done it a couple times with some better results because I took a little longer to tweak it, and I'll drop some images below. You can kind of see what's possible, and also on Vtrox's Twitter. Now, of course, if you don't like the way this looks, you don't like the way it looks overall, you don't have to do it, but it's just something kind of fun and different because right now we're waiting on One UI 6.0 beta. We're waiting on the big S23 Ultra update for this month. So there's not a lot of crazy Samsung news. So I want to do kind of something different and fun for you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys do try it. Show me your pictures on Twitter or drop a link to them. I'd love to check out how much better you guys did than me. I know I didn't do great in this video, but it is kind of a fun thing to try. Like, comment, subscribe to the notification icon for future videos like this. Also, if you guys are interested in getting some premium wireless, unlimited wireless right now for just $15 a month, mintmobile.com/Springer. If you sign up right now for any 3-month Mint Mobile plan with my link, get in touch with me via Twitter or email, and I'll send you guys out a free smartphone case as a personal thank you for trying Mint. We do appreciate them for being partners in the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.